WAC Limited's Blaze recessed downlights are perfect for both residential and commercial applications. Available with either round or square trim, Blaze is a low-profile downlight. With a metal conduit and driver included for easy remodel or new construction installations. Blaze installs into ceilings between 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches thick. With a die-cast aluminum construction, this 25-watt fixture includes a remote electrical wiring box and delivers up to 2,500 lumens with a 55-degree beam angle. The most exciting feature is the built-in color temperature selection, with 5 color temperatures to choose from, ranging from 2700K to 5000K. Blaze is a highly versatile downlight. To install, be sure to turn off the power at the breaker, make the electrical connections, and install the trim before inserting the fixture into the drywall. After the installation is complete, turn on the breaker and test. Blaze features a quick connect adapter and makes replacing the fixture convenient and intuitive. Blaze is ETL, CETL listed, Energy Star rated, Title 24 compliant, and wet location listed. Other features include universal 120 to 277 volt input, ELV or triac dimming, a rated life of 50,000 hours, and WAC Lighting's 5-year warranty. For more information, visit waclighting.com or visit our resource links.